Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, leather seats, low tire pressure warning, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.